In this video, I'll show you how to upload a customer list to Meta Ads. First, sign into your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. From there, click the menu icon and select Audiences. Next, click Create Audience and choose Custom Audience. Select Customer List as the source for your new audience. After that, upload your customer list by selecting your CSV or TXT file. Make sure your file includes customer information such as email addresses, phone numbers, or other supported identifiers so Meta can match them with user accounts. Now review the data fields and map them if prompted. Give your audience a descriptive name, then click Create Audience. Meta will begin processing your customer list, and it may take some time before the audience is ready to use. Finally, when creating a new campaign, go to the Audience section of your ad set and select your new custom audience to target those customers or use it as the source for a lookalike audience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload a customer list to Meta Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.